name is June, and today we're gonna open these two little figures. And the blue one looks like it comes with all of these figures. We have the rat, the ox, the rabbit, the dragon, what is this? The snake, and the horse. And then we also have the sheep, monkey, rooster, dog, pig, and secret. And this is a lot of the Chinese zodiacs. And now let's open this one. Woo! Oh. Okay, now it looks like we got the package. And let's see which one we got. Ooh, we got this one. Which one is this? We got the secret one. We got the secret one, guys. We got the ultra rare.
You didn't drink your lemonade.
Grammy, please, I'm taking a video and Poppy's gonna post it on YouTube. Now let's see what it looks like. Look how cute she is.
Bakit nag-iyak yan isang yan?
Look at her. We got the secret one. We got the ultra rare. Woo! We got the ultra rare.
That's much
Chinese
better than
zodiac.
the
Rooster.
No?
May pagkain pa dito. Kuya, kainin mo dyan na kayo.
Oh yeah, we got the rooster. Sorry, we got the rooster. But I think the rooster is this one. They're the same.
Masarap pa dito.
They're the same. They're the same. Okay, and now let's see which pool baby we can get. These are the Pocky Pool babies. Woo. Let's see what we can get. Looks like we can get the mushroom baby, the Poco baby, the jester baby, the jellyfish baby. Ooh, there's a jellyfish baby. How about the pinky duck baby or the unicorn baby? Or maybe the birthday baby, the bubblegum baby, or the donut baby. Or maybe we can get the summer blue baby or the sweet dream baby. And there's also a secret. Now let's see what we get. You can guess and put it on our comments. Woo! Whoa, I think I just teared the box. Here is our little package where the baby's gonna come out. And let's see which baby we got. Ooh, look at her. She is super golden. Now let's see how she looks in real life. Woo! Woo, look, she is adorable. She is adorable. Okay, so we got this punky baby and this one, Chinese zodiac. Bye, guys.